I'm doing a video. John, there's John. Christy's over here. You can't see her.
Hey.
I don't know what it is. June 11th. Is that right?
June 11th.
Yeah, June 11th. We're in Montana. Just left Broadus, and we're behind a couple of chaser trucks, or I don't know. Storm. We got a storm way off in the distance, 100-something miles, and it's gonna be tracking down this Highway 212, hopefully, all the way into South Dakota tonight. We were gonna wait in Broadus, but it looks like it's gonna track down this road. The reason we were gonna wait is because the storm moving about 35 miles an hour or so, and if it's off in the either side of the road, and we would have to take a dirt road to keep up with it, you'd end up probably behind it because it's moving pretty quick. So if it goes down this road, we should be able to just keep up with it the whole way into South Dakota. And so now we're going to try to drive at it so we can play with it a lot longer, and we'll see how that works. Hopefully something really good and photogenic today for a few hours. I mean, it's only 4:45. Granted, we're not going to see this thing for a while, but hopefully it's a good day.
Oh, I see it. I put the 300 on.
Looks like rain. Yeah. Jim Tang's going nuts. Jim Tang's he's going nuts. Oh my God! Okay, it's a little dangerous. That's close. Oh my God.
Wow.
Okay, that was good timing. Jeez. You know, Pecos did say he's had good luck with these kind of storms into South Dakota with like great lightning, so.
Just maybe a little further away would be nice, huh?
Really? I don't know how to get, I love that, but it scares me. That's why I sit in the car. I had my best shot. Oh, what? That hit right over there. Ah! Oh! That's rotating in there. Oh.